Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover iCloud account. Apple ID recovery explained step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone, iPad, or computer is connected to a stable internet connection. Open a web browser and go to Apple.com. On the page, type your Apple ID email address or the phone number linked to your account. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. Click Continue to start the recovery process. Choose the option to reset your password if you cannot sign in. Select whether you want to receive a verification code by email or by trusted phone number. If you choose email, open your inbox and also check spam or junk folders. Click the reset link in Apple's email and create a strong new password. If you choose phone verification, keep your trusted phone nearby and wait for the code. Enter the verification code on the Apple recovery page exactly as received. Create a new password that is long, unique, and not used on other websites. Confirm the new password and submit the change. Now try signing in at Apple.com with your updated password. If you do not remember your Apple ID, click Look it up on Apple.com. Enter your first name, last name, and the email addresses you may have used with Apple. Follow the prompts to identify the correct Apple ID linked to your information. If you have two-factor authentication, be ready to approve the sign-in on a trusted device. When the approval prompt appears, tap Allow and note the 6-digit code. Enter that 6-digit code to complete the sign-in successfully. If you cannot access your trusted phone number or trusted device, choose Account Recovery on the same site. Enter a phone number where Apple can reach you. Then confirm to begin account recovery. Follow Apple's instructions and wait for the recovery time estimate shown on screen. During this waiting period, avoid changing security info again because it can delay recovery. If you still have access to a signed-in Apple device, go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. Tap Change Password and follow the on-screen steps to reset using your device passcode. After recovery, update your trusted phone numbers and trusted devices in Apple ID settings. Finally, store your new password safely and consider using a password manager for future access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.